Alright, so let me take you to the best part of the house, one of my favorite parts of the house, the walkout closet. Tara. So here, medyo, as you can see, spacious siya. Sige, tara, pasok ka. Maluwag, hindi tayo kailangan magsiksikan. Right, so, medyo maganda yung color. Very natural light lang yung nakuha natin. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto kong appeal. And medyo may kataasan siya para at least hindi siya alikabukan basta-basta. But you gotta need this in my walkout closet. So, tara, pitas tayo ng mga, pili tayo ng mga susuting ko. I'm going for my lucky boxers kasi show to it. So, whenever may show, I always go for anything with red na boxers. Sa left wing ng aking walkout closet, you will see, makita may separations ng kulay. So there you have it. Kita-kits na lang ulit sa ibang parts ng aking bahay. Until next time.
Gago!